How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone had a great night, great day yesterday. Let's play some music here. Alright, so we're gonna start off with GJ. Just give me a second here. Give me a second, guys. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Good morning, Moyumi. Good morning, Maxi. Good morning, Amo Family Vlog. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, AJ. Good morning, Diana. Alright, so looking at AJ, right now we actually in this range. Myself and the VIP, we took sales on GG earlier. Um, Closed out early just to manage my risk. I actually took sales, so we'll see if we're gonna have a sell continuation here. If we're gonna break and close below this range now, because now we're actually ranging. So looking at GJ right now, um, sales below 161,950 would be ideal. Sales below closure. Next month, guys, big things is coming. Big things is coming next month. I'm gonna go a little bit deeper once we get more people in here. All right, so sales below closure here for now. If we go to the higher time frame on GJ, we're still kind of bearish. And based off the higher time frame, honestly, looking at a 4 hour, I'll be looking for buys above 162,600 based off the 4 hour time frame. But if we go to the 30-minute time frame here, um, buys above, looking at this on the 30-minute, buys above 162,350 should be ideal, because if we break out of this range, we could potentially reject at 162,350, which is right over here, because here we got what support, price book support, then we pull back, we created a resistance here, so we could pull back up here, break this way, break out of this range to the upside and get here and then reject. So if we do break above 162,350, I'll be looking to take buys. That's what I'll be looking for. But also this resistance we have here, uh, we also have to pay attention to that as well. So we're going to see. So we'll see what happens. But if we break above 162,350, we should head back to this resistance, which was the New York resistance, the New York highs. We should head back to 162,650 at least. So buys above 162,350. That's where I'll be taking my buys. Good morning, Cornell. Good morning, Diaz. I'm good, man. Good morning, Toti. Good morning, Victor. Good morning, Ekine. All right. Good morning, JV Snoop. So let's move over to EJ. I like EJ. Right now, I like EJ. So looking at EJ, sells below this support here, below 138, 400. EJ is also kind of in a range as well. But the buys is gonna be a little bit tricky because of this minor resistance at 138. This is right here. So my buys on EJ is actually not gonna be until we break above 139. Don't have enough peak range, so I'm gonna stay away. Plus, we could also still reject off. We could reject that zone as well, because now we actually kind of pushing down here, so we could still reject off of that minor resistance at 138,800. So my buys is gonna be above 139 if I'm to take buys on EJ. All right, so that's what I'm looking at here. Uh, Good morning, Mogisha. Good morning, crypto trading. Good morning, Issa. Good morning, Perry. Good morning, Tay. Good morning, Zay. Good morning, Roseberg. Is there a EU red folder? I believe so. All day. All day today. So that event, I assume it already started since it says all day here. So I assume it already started. All right, let's take a look at GU. I was looking at GU earlier. Um, I kind of like it. So looking at GU, my bias is going to be above these New York highs. All right, because we rejected off of it earlier. So even if we break above these Asian highs here, you still got these New York highs to worry about. So my bias is going to be above the New York highs, which is above 1.17400. All right. Two. So we got buys above closure there. Should be nice. And obviously it sells below this support. Good morning, Boomis. Good morning, Vesky. Rushab, good morning. Good morning, Andrew Jackson. Gigi's been trash, yeah, lately. Gigi's been trash lately. Let's take a look at AJ today. So, AJ is currently still bullish. If you break above this support, we should continue pushing up on AJ. All right. I'm actually gonna delete this because we got our new support right here. We break that, we should fall. We're currently breaking this trend line right now on CJ. So buys above 106,550 should be good buys here on CJ. If we do have volume here on CJ, because remember, like I always say, CJ is not really a London session pair. It has nothing to do with London session, but sometimes we do get volume on CJ during London. So maybe today's gonna be one of those days. AJ as well. It's not really a London session pair, but sometimes we do get volume as well. And Asian session is about to close in the next maybe 1 hour. So we'll see what GJ has to offer today. CJ 106.25 is not important. Where 106.25. Um, I don't know what zone you're talking about, 30. yesterday around this time. Talking about London session around this time. This is London session right here. Oh, you're talking about down here? Oh, okay, down here. Now, we since we're coming down here, my main concern is this traffic here to the left. We already created a support right here, so if we do break that, we should continue, because right now this is our what? This is our Asian lows. This is our Asian lows. We break these Asian lows, we should continue. Alright, we should probably even continue to this London session lows right here. We should at least continue to these London session lows. So, but if we break above these Asian highs and this New York session lows here to the left, we should continue to the New York highs. Make sense, 30? Hope that makes sense. Hi, DJ, was good in your session yesterday? Yeah, it looks like it had some, decent move to the upside. Isaac, I don't trade gold. You're not gonna get that from me on this channel. Now, once in a while you would get NAS 100, but I do not trade it during London, so I only trade NAS during New York session. Looking at this NAS right here, if this was New York, this demand right here would have held. You just don't have enough volume with NAS during London compared to New York. It's never gonna happen. Yeah, they don't know. Tell them Rodolfo, they don't know. If only they know. If only they knew. And they didn't sign up for the webinar either. And they didn't want to sign up for the video files either. Oh boy. Good morning, Erikia. Man, I hope I always pronounce your name right. Adi, is it Kaya or Kia? Yes, Isa, GJ above 162 level. Not here. Not here at all. But here. The reason why I have it above 162, 350 is to see if this support on resistance here, if it's gonna hold, and then we start falling again. If it holds, then I'll be looking to take sales right here. But if it does not, then I'll be looking for buys above. All right. I'm not gonna let GJ beat me twice. It already beat me once. I'm not gonna let her beat me twice. No, 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 no. Absolutely not. Do I ever trade German 30? Nope. Only NAS and once in a while XPS, S&P 500. I do not trade US 30 and I do not trade German 30. Let me just show you guys my NAS 100 trade yesterday. Only the people in the trading webinar knows about that. Where was it? Where was it? Where was it? Here it is. You see this right here? Yesterday, just for you to know that so I have the Q zones. This is the New York session Q zone. So once this bearish candle closed and rejected, bam, I look for my entry. My entry was down here, stops below this, and I caught this whole entire move. All this move, this is what I caught. All this was what I caught yesterday on NAS. Once I got 400 points, moved stuff to break even, and I just let it run. I caught 1,000, almost 1,300 points on NAS 100 yesterday. So how did I know that this was a supply zone? Once we had this first rejection here, so I marked up that zone, right? Marked up that zone, and it was not the time that I looked to trade NAS at all. It wasn't the time yet. So these buys here, I was gonna take these buys, but I missed out on these buys. Somebody took it among the people that attended the webinar. Somebody took it. Now, how did I know that this was a supply zone to the right? How did I anticipate a rejection? Let's go to the left. Because of this zone right here. So once NAS rejected that zone, so I was waiting, patient, waiting for the right time. And when this move happened, it was within the time that I'll be looking to get into NAS 100, which is after New York session opens, 30 minutes to 1 hour after New York Stock Exchange opens. That's when I look to get into NAS. It was within that time. And then when I saw this move right here, we flip bullish, then we flip bearish again with this nice top wick. With this nice top wick bearish rejection candle here, confirming that okay, we actually rejecting this supply zone here. We absolutely should head down. And then I freaking took the sell and I wrote it down. Very, very nice trade yesterday. That's how I trade my NAS. That's how I trade NAS. I do not trade breakouts. But when it comes to Forex pairs, my main strategy is breakouts. I do take break and retest entries as well, or if you want to call it supply and demand, I take that as well. But my main strategy when it comes to Forex pairs is breakouts. Uh, Amen, Peeps Rebel. Thank you. Yes, hyperbolic time trader. That was the move I caught. Good morning, Jay Smith. Yes, yes, Rodolfo. Yes, they are. If you want to learn more about the NAS 100 strategy, all you have to do is get the video files for the webinar. Okay, we got 100 plus people here now. All right, so now I said earlier in the beginning of the stream that I have big things coming next month. Now this is it. Let me just let the cat out the bag. So I'm gonna be starting my mentorship program. Now this is what is gonna be in the mentorship program. Now listen, it's gonna be monthly charges, but you're gonna get signals. You're gonna get weekly webinars with me. You're gonna get uh, we're gonna do pre-market analysis on Sundays for those that are in the mentorship program, and you're also gonna get assignments. Whatever we talk about, whatever I teach on Saturdays for the weekly webinars, I'm gonna give everyone an assignment that you need to do, and you have to do it. If you do not do it, if you do not do it and submit your assignment by Wednesday, which is the following Wednesday, once your membership ends, I'm gonna cancel your membership. I do not want people that are not serious. I do not want people that are only looking to get signals. So doing your assignment is very, very important to me, and it should be important to you too. So if you do not do that assignment, once your membership ends, I'll be canceling your membership. And also for the live streams, you guys are going to be in the private chat room for the live streams. So you get signals, weekly webinars, um, assignments, um, and private chat rooms. And I'll be starting that next month. All right, just FYI. I thought you said I'm your first member. Can I make the webinars earlier, not US afternoon time? Oh, I think we'll work around that. I'm gonna look for a conducive time. The reason why I actually choose Saturdays for the webinars is because we have to do pre-market analysis on Sunday. Actually, before Asian session open, we have to do that on Sundays. And I feel like on Saturdays, most people don't work on Saturdays. So I just need to figure out a time for the webinars. And I understand that some people might not be able to make the webinars every single time, but it's always going to be recorded. So even if you don't make the webinars, as long as you're part of the mentorship program, you're going to get the video. Or if you do not make it for the webinars, you're gonna get the video, and you can watch the videos, whatever I teach, whatever we talk about, you'll be able to watch it at your own time. 125 a month. One. Oh, no, 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 no. Wait, wait, wait. Give me a second here. Uh, how much did I put it at here? 150 a month. That's what it's gonna cost. Ah, you almost overslept. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. You always gotta get your rest. Yo, Ginger FX, how you doing? Um, when I was growing up, in Nigeria, whenever my parents want me to listen, or the people older than me in my family, they had this saying. They'll say, "You must do this, or you must listen by fire by force." So you guys must know how to trade on your own without depending on anyone, without depending on nobody but yourself, without holding no one else accountable but yourself. So you must be able to do that by fire by force. Meaning, whether you like it or not, I will try my best, and then the rest is on you. Simple as that. And when you're starting out, there's nothing wrong in trying to get signals, as long as your goal is not just to depend on signals for the rest of your life. If that's your goal, then you you're just wasting your time. This is not for you. But if you're getting signals while you're learning to be able to do it on your own, then that's fine. Then that's fine. But some people, that's not what they're looking to do. All they want is signal, 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 signal. That's it. Ah, you say so I'm aiming for zero membership then. Ah, that's funny, Warren. I'm just being transparent here, you know. That's why I said there's nothing wrong in getting signals, as long as you're willing to learn how to become your own signal. At the end of the day, just an advice. You know, you can depend on signal for the rest of your life if you want. That's your decision. Mm.
Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. Won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave.
Good morning, Danielle. You got a lane, period. Yep, facts.
Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. Won't stop. Ooh. Never
Oh, yeah, Iron Man Trading. What's good, brother?
I can't stand it. I don't know the way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, now tables turn. God's plan, I don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you.
How? You just making stupid videos?
For you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no.
No, I'm not in.
I won't stop.
Like, why would you think I'll be in right now? Number one, this candle has no bottom wick. Number one. Number two, we have a support here. Price came down, broke this support here to the left, went up, we retested, created a resistance here, right? Now, this candle right here could turn out to be, we could actually still reject off this zone right here, just like we did earlier, so we could still do it again. That's why I'm not in. That's why my bias is above 162,350. I'm waiting to see, are we going to have a rejection here again, or are we actually going to break and close above? If that happens, then I'll look for my entry. So that's what I'm waiting to see, and it's not London open yet. So London session opens in 20 minutes. Third capital is the target this week. Yeah, we bullish. So we'll see. We shall see.
Left to the bank, you know that I'm coming in. We don't do it for the bands though. We don't do it for the clout. Legacy on the line, so I'm moving in and out. Seen good ones turn top dog, greedy ones get knocked off. I keep looking at the bench like I could never not ball. Coach keep me in the game, Curry Daly with the range. I keep looking in the mirror like, who is he? I'm insane. Who am I? He insane. Guess I am the one to blame. What's done is done, won't change. Time to live up to my name. Real won't be real, fake gon' fall. Took time with this here, I'm made for a while. No sleeping, no I won't fall. No sleeping, no I want it all. I keep God first. I see evil when I converse.
The mentorship starts next month. Next month. Probably gonna start on Monday. Or maybe Sunday. For those in the Discord, that's when we're gonna start. Probably Sunday or Monday next week. EJ sells below 138 400, and we're currently in this range right now. So but like I said, if we reject this support on resistance here at 162 350, I'll be looking to take sales. I'll be looking to take sales, and I could potentially just ride this thing back to this support at 162. And if we do break below this support, then I'm gonna keep riding it. If we fall, my goal is to eventually get out of GJ at this support. Get out of GJ at 161 300. That's my goal if it gets there. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. We shall see what happens. Just gotta wait for London open. We got 14 minutes. All right, so while we're waiting for an entry here, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys. While we're waiting for London open, and I'll be right back.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. I'm the chosen. Snow is falling. Elfie's calling. Check my list twice. Most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing. Diamonds blinging. Carols singing. Favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing. Diamonds blinging. Carols singing. Favorite season. They say Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no French tights, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
got? Six more minutes and London session will officially be opened. Yep, all is well, Nigel. All is well. Glory be to the Most High. What lot size is advisable if you're using $200? For me personally, my lot size will be between 0.05 to 0.10. That's for me. So I didn't want to take the bias because number one, even before this bullish candle, I wasn't looking for buys here because we have a support turn resistance here. So we could reject this same zone here to the right. That's why I did not take the buys. Plus we do not have enough pip range. That's why I did not take the buys. Even if I was going to, I wouldn't have taken these buys because this candle had no bottom wick at all. So I wasn't looking for buys at all. I'm looking for buys above 162, 350. I'm looking for buys above that zone, or I'm looking for rejections here. Rejections there for a self continuation. I know we're bullish on the 30-minute here, but on the higher time frame, we're bearish. So I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen here. Avoiding fake outs at all cost. We currently rejecting. You see? See how we rejecting? Very nice rejection too. So we'll see what's gonna happen here once London session opens. Oh, look at EJ. Okay, EJ looking nice. EJ actually has to continue falling here. Um, Damn, this EJ has no top wicks, so I'm gonna stay away from that one. See something here. I'm not in yet. Not in yet. Let's check in to see if we gonna come down here. Not in yet. I want EJ to actually flip bullish before it drops. I need it to flip bullish. There we go. This candle could still flip bearish. I'm not in any trades. If it doesn't give me what I'm looking for, then we'll change our bias. Alright? If this candle breaks above this resistance, then we're gonna look for buys. For now, I'm gonna keep it this way. Alright, guys? Okay. So let's see what's gonna happen here. AJ closed above. AJ's missed. I'm not deleting this until we actually close above. Not deleting until we close above. Good morning, Joe. Yeah, 30. Right now, AJ, you just gotta see if he's gonna close above 95,900, which was the New York highs. I hope no one got in yet. I took sales on EJ. I took EJ sales. I took EJ sales, and we'll see what happens. Stops above this current candle wick for about 20 pips. See what happens. I'm gonna be greedy here. If it gets there, fine. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. That was fast. How come is it back on? Well, we took EJ cells. I feel like GJ is gonna fall too. He's just acting crazy right now. I don't even know if this alert is gonna go off. Let me do it again. I took GJ cells. I took GJ cells too. And that's my two trade for today. EJ flipped.
World on my shoulders while I'm standing on the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean and we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean and we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green.
Mm. Yes, I mean two trades actually. GJ and EJ both sells. EJ sells and I took GJ sells. You have a 30 pip stop loss on EJ. Um, I only have like 20 pip stop loss on EJ. Actually, both EJ and GJ they both 20 pip stop loss. So today, because the stops are too kind of tight, so I'm actually just gonna let them run. I'm just gonna let them run. I cha- I changed my bias to sales because of this previous 30-minute candle. And EJ took the sales because we actually rejected off of this support right here to the left. That's why I took the sales on EJ. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here. AJ buys above 95,900. Now we should fall. Hyperbolic time trader. If we get stopped out here, there's no point for you to keep your stop loss at 30 pips. Alright, that's it. We stopped out. Losing trade. Okay. Hold on. Where did I put my stop loss on EJ? I thought that's 20 pips. How come it stopped me out at 15 pips? Well, okay. Well, you win some, you lose some. It just stopped me out at 15 pips. What about you guys? What did it just stop you at? I thought that stop loss was at 20 pips. I guess not. Oh man. Well, we're breaking this minor support to the left right now. If EJ starts falling again, I might give it another chance. I'm gonna leave GJ running. I'm gonna let GJ run. Oh, I didn't realize I had this text on here. Oh, and I still have it on here on EJ too. Okay. Well, afterwards, this this rejection here at this support here to the left turned out to be a fake out after all. Didn't play out today. Um, and this GJ rejection is also trying not to play out. So, see, we got a trend line rejection, and we also got a rejection here at the support on resistance. So, we'll see.
Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked, cause I'm always surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife, could've left 1,000 times just to by my side. This one's for the grind, I knew it would happen, just had the strength in my mind. To the videos, they thought I was a black guy. It's hard to get over. I'm foreigner in the sport, but I'm fully devoted. I don't take it for granted that the door's been open. I knew I was different. I knew I was chosen.
Let me update this EJ trade.
59.50 and there's no cap. Let's have a toast to that. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the they done baptized the bad guy. Still don't follow religion. The fabric's not average. The cotton's Egyptian. 500 for the shoes come dirty, but the European. Less is more and less is the bank. Up the score, I pull up from trade. From the trade, I'm ballin' like trade. Do what I can, I do what you can't. I wrote this 30,000 feet up. 10 toes stay G'd up. I'm trying to get that type of wealth like a house on the hills can't see us. Say the money still me up. Stay humble, stay teed up. I don't tell you how to live, so don't hit me with no weak stuff. And if you know the drill, then you know the deal. If it's real, then you know it's real. Toast. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the
All right.
real ones. Let's have a toast for the real.
Damn.
Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the
It's funny how people start talking trash when whenever you lose. When you win, they keep quiet. As soon as you lose, I'm I'm out of GJ, guys. I'm out. All right. First back-to-back losses in a long time. Um, well, another 15 people lost on GJ. So today, for London session, I'm only gonna take one more trade here, and that's it. I've had two losses now, back-to-back losses. One more trade, and I'll be calling it a day. Alright. You better not freaking fall now. Well, let me update my trade journal. Let's see. Mm. Alright. What do we... Come on, come on, come on, come on. What the hell? Alright, that's 12 losses for the month. Alright. You're in CJ Long. It's NBHD Nick, that's his name. CJ. Do you have enough pip range? Pip range is not enough. Well, I'm gonna look for one more trade here, guys, and I'm gonna call it a day. But while we're waiting here, so if you're looking for a good and reputable broker because your broker sucks, you're paying too much spread, too much commissions, then I strongly do recommend Anchor Trade. With Anchor Trade, you can use either MT4 or MT5 as your trading platform. And when it comes to account types, I prefer the ECN Plus or the ECN. You can go with ECN Plus if you have at least $1,000. Go with ECN if you have less than $1,000. Anchor Trade spreads start from zero point 0.0 pips. Maximum leverage of 1 to 500, which is the leverage that I use, and very good low commissions and negative balance protections. And you can also apply for a matching deposit bonus, but if you do that, make sure your leverage is at least 1 to 200, or else they're going to deny your application. Alright, so if you're interested in signing up with Anchor Trade, you can use my link down below in the description. Alright, so at this point, We're breaking out of this trend line, and now we're freaking moving. All right. Um, if CJ flips, it's gonna continue, but it's not enough people in here. If you have your entry at the top of this week, you have like 12 pip stop loss. Then for you to have a one-to-one, then you need to have at least 12 pip stop loss. No, it's a no for me. It's a no for me.
Used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing. Shot when I land. Promoter paid for 6 flights, got the team.
Oh, I'm gonna delete this thread line. It holds no value anymore.
Just because and I don't even like the sand. Stan Smith sneakers on the beach, that's the water. I just came in for the tan. This was always planned. You wouldn't understand.
I'm gonna see what happens right here.
I could turn the roads to an AP. I came from sorry sir to come again. I came from 2 screens to HD. Tell her why you mad for. Go on, tell her why you mad for. No new friends, I couldn't catch a win until I cut off the loose ends. Used to whip the under in the trunk at 210s. Just like that too.
Alright, very nice high.
Couldn't say a thing about the way if you asked me. Never caught the chain, I was always trying to gain green.
I mean, that's usually how it is. Whenever you take a trade and then you freaking lose, then you don't know what you're doing.
Go on, tell her why you mad for. Go ahead and just give me a reason. Not to change on you once I give me a million. I got checks in Hamburg, I might fly out this evening. I got checks in Moscow, I'll be back in a weekend. If it wasn't for COVID, I'd be in Europe touring. Counting cash on the couch is getting kinda boring. Must be talking about peace,
Nah.
start driving foreigns. Say I'm lying and I'm telling stories, or you can't. Tell her why you mad for. Go on, tell her why you mad for. Silly. Soft spoken, I can hit the studio and spit till my jaw's broken. Forex in the hour, I'm not bragging, it's all boasting. Pen the top 10 and ball for ball, and it's all coasting. And it's easy for me. Just tell me go and I'm on go, it's no reason for me. Doing features for a feature that's reaching for me. My next show's a match store, they been sleeping on me. See, they took my style, see, they been peeking on
Oh,
me.
GJ is really moving. Check news. We really don't have like high impact news today for London session, except for this Euro CPI here, and that's all day today. Aside from that, the high impact news we have is during New York session. That's the one I pay attention to. So if we do not reject this resistance here, then we're gonna continue pushing up. Um, right. The same setup I took today on GJ. I think I took it somewhere. No, it wasn't on GJ, it was on EJ. On right here. But the only difference between this sell here on EJ and the sell we took on GJ, looking at it now, is this resistance. This support turn resistance here. That's the only difference. Because if you look at GJ here, and then if we go back to EJ, this sell that we took here on EJ earlier this week, see we had no zones here, we had clean traffic right here, so it's not the same thing as the GJ sells, but still, you know, I anticipated the sell and I took it, so it didn't play out. It is what it is. You just gotta move on. What happened to gold? I hate it when I have back-to-back losses though. I hate it. One loss, one win, okay, that's fine. But back-to-back losses, I don't like it. You didn't make any money off the move? So right now, looking at GJ, the same thing that happened here is currently happening right here now at this resistance. So now I'm just gonna be looking for buys above 162, 650. Except if we continue to reject this resistance here at 162, 517. So we'll see. So if we keep rejecting here and we get a nice bearish candle here for the here on the 30-minute, we should continue down to this support. What's wrong with my headset? What's wrong with my headset? What headset do I have? Um, Shit, I can't even remember what it's called. Hold on. Uh, that's crazy. I can't even remember what it's called. I think I have the box somewhere. Uh, it's called G935. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's called G935. I think that's what it's called. Oh, it's Logitech G935. Logitech G935. That's what it's called. Ah, very nice, Daniel. I already anticipated this buys already. It's been there. before London open. Let's see. The mentorship signal is going to include NAS as well. Very nice, Daniel.
Toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my
What is
thing.
GJ trying to do here now?
Ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Anything I do for the gang. Took those L's and I took that blame. All money in, we ain't copping no chain. Feel like Ice Cube 'cause a dead good day. Don't need 3 whips, don't need no race. I'ma keep it simple in the Chevy I skate. Thank the Lord every time I wait. Lace my shoes and I get to that
I'm gonna see
gate.
what you're trying to do, GJ.
Heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds.
Man,
This is all we ever wanted. Down to my ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Pedal to the floor, to the engine. Head up in the clouds when I left with it.
it'll be crazy if GJ decides to fall now after all this.
Paper straight. Couldn't get it back then, so I had to wait. Now the money come to me, so I don't have to chase. I don't gotta flash nothing, I don't gotta fake, darling. We not practicing, we falling. Heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Yeah. Go and stack it by the hundreds. Heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. This is all we ever wanted. I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang.
You said trap sellers? That's why I'm waiting for the 30 minute. That's why I'm waiting here on the 30 minute. That's why I'm not in the sales yet. Even with this rejection here, because now we're creating a resistance right now. Damn, GJ already played me twice today. Can you believe that? Twice in one day. To be honest with you guys, today, even though we bullish here on the 30-minute time frame, I really wasn't looking for buys. I was looking for sells. So I was either expecting a rejection here or right here. So since we rejected earlier off of the support on resistance at 162.350, That's why I took the sales. Now, right, we could possibly reject at 162,517 now and start dropping. So I'll be taking one more trade here today, and I'll call it a day. So right now I'm either waiting to confirm a rejection here or break above 162,650. Well, this candle has no wick. I'm gonna wait and see if it's gonna flip bullish and then flip bearish again, and I'll possibly take the sell at this point. And we could possibly flip bullish and just continue going. Man, if this candle had a wick, I will take this drop. So I'm gonna wait it out on EJ and GJ. I'm gonna wait it out. If GJ sales ends up playing out, this was where the sales should have played out at first. Not up here. Like they had no reason to drive price back up to 162,517 and then freaking drop. Yeah, I know it's liquidity. So right now I'm just waiting to see what this candle is gonna do before jumping in sales. I don't trade USD card. So both EJ and GJ, I'm going to leave them on the 15-minute time frame here. So we could possibly take a trade here off of the 15-minute time frame. Probably a sell, we'll see. Um, I'll be right back, guys. We got 9 more minutes before this 15-minute candle closes, and we'll see what happens after that.
drop it, she rockin' top, it's no stop it. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet, and I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow. She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' top, it's no stop it. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet, and I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow.
Damn, it's really, really falling. Oh man, this GJ 15-minute candle ended up creating a top wick. Alright. Mm. The two losses I just took, watch me make it back. Watch me make it back. If I'm unable to take London session trade today, then I will be trading New York today. Then I will be trading New York today. Alright, 15-minute candle closes in 2 minutes. If I take sells here, my stop loss is gonna be based off the 15-minute here. If we take sells, entry could still be above. Alright, 15-minute candle open.
Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on an M, I need one of those.
Yeah,
Sniffing on an M,
it's
like I gotta go.
covering my eyes,
Need
man.
to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to
Fuck.
know, nah, you don't need to know. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Hit me, but I keep you running, need to
That was
know.
in my eyes, chef.
Came up from the bottom, started from the floor. Working 10 to 10 and a 10 to 4. Bags under my eyes on my mommy floor. Always know the plan, I know dummy knows. Always been myself, never had to fake.
So here,
Friends had to lose the weight. Took a couple L's, charged it to the game. Since I switched my lane, never been the same. Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on an M, I need one of those. Sniffing on an M, like I got a cold. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Hit me, but I keep you running, need to know. 95,
oh,
girl, 95.
where do I go?
Charlotte just to see the guys. But I flex and I never lie. Keep the comments, but I let them slide. Dealt with the pain, whole lot.
Okay.
Beat the game, no problem. I don't gotta make it for you, I'm a rest in peace, big shot.
I took it, guys.
Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you
Uh,
don't need to know. Sniffing on it,
my entry was below this.
sniffing on it, like I got a cold.
My entry was below this wick.
Flow,
Wanted to get in before that, but
sniffing on it, I need one of those. Sniffing on it, like I got a cold. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Hit me, but I keep you running, need to know.
it was based off the 15-minute. As far as GJ goes, hmm, um, I'm gonna just target this, and that'll be that. If it gets there. my entry right there. I'm not in GJ yet. I'm not in GJ yet. Well, I just took GJ. I just took GJ and that's it. Now, remember, because of the loss I took earlier, I'm not using the same risk here. So, have I checked GU? GU is just trying to break above these highs right now. EJ Mugisha. Yes, I took sell. Well, if GU closes above, you got your. Uh, oh, someone asked why I took these sales here. I took these sales because of this rejection at this resistance. That's why I took the sales. Um, the same thing for EJ. I mean for GJ. That's why I took it. Anticipating that it should come back to this support at least. That's what I'm anticipating here. I mean, Flinta, there's nothing wrong in being scared to take a trade because if you're not confident, there's no reason, there's no point for you to take it. But you cannot be scared Win or lose, I mean, just take it. I mean, pull the trigger. I see a setup that works for me most of the time, so I took it. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You could take a setup this whole week, and that same setup that worked out for you this week. Now, come the following week, you could take that same setup, and it just wouldn't work. Like it would just refuse to work. But as long as that setup you're taking, as long as it's working majority of the time, then it's a good setup. Just continue taking it. All right. Popav, you can send me the chart and I'll take a look at it. I'll be back, guys. Did you send it to Discord? Come on, EJ, you're supposed to fall. Like, ugh. All right, let's take a look at EU real quick for POPAV. I don't even have it on my watch list. Oh, you in a short too, Ventec? Yeah. Let's take a look at EU here for POPAV. All right, so just looking at this on the 30 minutes. So EJ is right at this resistance. Closures above that, then we should head to this resistance at 1.00900, and you can also have a TP here. And we could also fall from here. We could actually fall from this resistance too. That's definitely a possibility. Let's see what this looks like on the H4. Yep, we could fall from here. You got a support turn resistance here. So you sitting at a major zone. We could fall from there. Uh, but when it comes to EU, if I was trading EU, once we start crossing these lows, looking at EU, once we start crossing these lows at 1.00207, I'm going to take a sell and target this support. And target this support at around 0.99900. All right. Club buys closes above 1.00300. But if we start falling and we cross below 1.00207, we got a sell and we should come down to this support at least. That's for about 30 pips. Alright, that's what you need to look for in my own opinion, POPAV. But I don't trade EU. Then where's my zones on? Okay. Alright, GJ playing again. Okay. Well, so far today hasn't been my day today at all. Uh,
missing. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more and she hit me, say you quit or she dipping. Yeah, let me do my thing. Got them greens and pinks and blues, I'll give my kids a change. Don't call me answer for none unless you do the same. I wanna catch as fast as that and I don't do no range. Yeah. All I ever wanted was some millions. All I ever wanted was some children. Then I got 4 of them kids and now we chillin'. Nothing's real. Ain't inside the wanna feel it. Yeah. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it.
How you say GJ is angry? Haven't touched that for a long time. Well, I guess EJ is angry too. But I've traded EJ all this week, and today was my first loss on EJ. I'm actually in a sell on GJ. I'm not in a buy. I'm in a sell. I took sales on GJ. Now, the overall trend is actually bullish, but this rejection here, that's why I took this sell. So we'll see if it's gonna play out. We'll see if it's gonna play out. And 4 hour candle opens in 18 minutes. Oh, alright, the rap music is finished. Let me play something else. Let me play Tyra. These two are the only artists I listen to here, anyways. Yep, we should be seeing a downfall on it, that's true. But shit, it can he can basically do whatever he wants to do. So if you look at it now, we're actually stuck in a range. Why? Because now we got this zone here, resistance here. We rejected it here. So we're ranging between this resistance and now we've created a support here. And now, looking at GJ, if we should break these highs at 162,434, if GJ does not fall right now, and we break above 162,434, that's it. I do not think the sales is going to play out at that point. If we do not fall now, and we start breaking 16 above 162 for 34, GJ is not gonna fall. USD JPY, well, if this candle flips bearish, it should continue down because we did close below this support. You know, the thing I like about Forex is that every one of us as traders, we don't see the same thing. Some traders will look at this and say, you know, this is a buy. Some people will look at it and say this is a sell. We all will never see the market the same. I'm pretty sure when I called out this sell, some of you were like, "Oh no, it's a buy. This definitely doesn't look like a sell." But to me, that's what it looks like to me. Some people will agree with me, and some people wouldn't. But one of us is gonna be right. Just like when you win a trade, somebody lost that same trade that you won. And when you lose a trade, somebody won that same trade that you took. That's how it is. Yeah. Like I said, if we start crossing above this 162 for 34, I'm closing out on GJ. And I'm not even gonna trade New York today. I'm just gonna freaking go to sleep and try again tomorrow. Okay. Same thing with EJ here. 138,708. If the same thing happens, I'm closing. The supply zone is just not holding. It's just not holding at that point. Okay. Well, horrible today. We'll see. I'm actually just gonna freaking set an alert here, so I don't have to keep going back and forth. Oh, no need. Absolutely no need. Uh, the hell, I'm trying to delete this. What are you doing? Man. All right. I'm out of GJ. Close GG at negative 8 pips. Uh, no, I don't trade gold. 6 years Vintech. Today is the worst trading day ever for me. Damn. I just answered that question. I just answered the same question. So if you took the same trade that I took from the beginning of the stream up until now, there's no need for you to trade New York session, man. You just gotta show up again tomorrow. You just gotta show up tomorrow. I'm still holding EJ though. GJ, I didn't like the fact that he did this, so I decided to close it. I'm still in EJ, still holding EJ. Until it probably touches 138.711. That's when I'm gonna close it. Oh, damn, I didn't what the hell? I'm out of this one. Alright. NFP wick is definitely smashing my ass right now. Well, the week is not over yet. Still got Wednesday. Thursday and Friday. We got 3 days left. So we'll see. Guys, I'm closing. I'm closing. I'm out of EJ. So basically, my account right now, everything I made yesterday, I've given it all back to the market. Everything I made Sunday, Monday, market has taken every freaking thing. But I'm gonna take it back. The same way they took it from me, I will take it back. So, oh yeah, Smith, I'm not trading New York. No New York for me today. Not until London session tomorrow. Yeah. The trades I've taken today and the fact that they were all losses, I can't take any more trades. Not a single win. So, if you ask me, I'll suggest you do the same. Just let it be. Sometimes it happens. I mean, when I was when I was having all these wins, I wasn't complaining. So there will be a point where you're gonna have some losses. It could be back to back. It could be a losing streak. Whatever. A loss is a loss. Exactly. I go again tomorrow. So after I lost the 2 trades, I just minimized my lot size. That's what I do. So instead of me using 50, I use 25. I cut it in half. Because remember what I usually preach. I usually preach only take 1 to 2 trades a day, 3 trades maximum. But today we actually took four. We took four, and not a single win. So that's why I'm saying I'm not trading New York session today. I've already maxed out my trades for the day. Maxed out my trades for the day. So no reason for me to take any more trades. How did you look into me now? It's just ranging at this point, man. I'm still expecting sales though, but at this point, it's just ranging at this point. So it's just ranging. The same thing with EJ. They're basically doing the same thing. They just ranging. Uh, Pre-New York though, we might see some volume pre-New York. So pre-New York is in that's in an hour. So that's that. What caused me to exit GJ? Um, oh, EJ. because it was getting close to breaking the high of this candle. It's getting close to breaking it. That was why I closed it. That was why I closed it. And GJ, I closed it because that candle actually tapped these highs at 162.430. That was why I closed GJ. So, and look at this. This candle would have stopped us out. So, I got out early. It's okay. Today is just not my day. All my setup just didn't play out today, so it is what it is. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like I always say, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And remember, even though we took a loss today, I mean we took losses today, we'll come back strong tomorrow. It's all part of trading. All right. Nobody. I don't care if you're a freaking, if you're the best trader in the world, you're definitely gonna take losses. When you take them, you just come back strong. Like I said earlier, you be in a winning streak and you can be in a losing streak. All right, we'll come back strong tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow.